Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and your power windows do not work, or just one power window doesn't work, or let's say only front or rear power windows do not work, we're going to discuss, guys, what can cause that now. We're going to show you guys the top reasons why your windows may not work or just one window may not work. So make sure, guys, you stay with us until the end. We're going to cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys. We will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We hope that you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any parts, guys, we have the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we get our parts from. If you need to buy window switches, regulators, everything is there, guys, for a very good price. So this is, guys, the Chevy Cruze. This is 2015, but doesn't matter if you have a 2012 or 15, the procedure should be about the same. Now, I'll go ahead and turn the ignition on, and I want to show you guys how our rear windows do not go down at all. So, ignition is on. Okay, front windows move on both sides. Check out the rear ones now. I'm going to press. Nothing, guys. They do not work. So let me explain now what can cause that now. So looking at the Cruze now, guys, okay, you have a few options. If you just have one window that doesn't work, most likely, guys, you have either a bad window motor or a bad regulator. But if the regulator is bad, you may hear the motor making noise like bzz, bzz, and then stops. If it's motor, you will not notice anything. If just one of them doesn't work, it's possible, okay, that you have a bad switch. But let's say rear left doesn't work from the rear door, okay, but try, okay, moving it up and down from the front door, guys, because maybe just the rear switch is bad. But sometimes a bad window switch will cause your window not to work. So we have a video on the channel how to test window motor, and if that doesn't take care of the problem, guys, and you just have one window that doesn't work, okay, check the connection and you may have a bad window switch. Now, if, guys, you have two windows that do not work, let's say the front windows do not work, good news for you guys, you have a fuse that controls the front windows and you have a fuse that controls the rear windows. So in that case, you have to check your fuses, guys. If all the windows do not work, guys, okay, that would be terrible. Most likely, you may even have, guys, a bad window switch, you may have bad connection somewhere, loose connection on the master window switch. That's why all of them will not work. But check that, guys. So in our case, guys, the rear windows do not work, so let me show you now what we're looking for. Right here, the fuse box, guys, open the fuse box and you have two fuses, guys, that control the windows. Okay, one is for the front, that is for the rear window, I believe. Okay, 21 is rear, 24 is front windows, guys. So replace your fuse. We're going to go ahead, replace ours, and see if that takes care of the problem. If you need to buy any, guys, we have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. So we'll go ahead, replace ours, and see if that takes care of the problem now. So we replaced the fuse for the rear windows, and now let's go ahead and check out if that will take care of our problem. Hopefully it does. Okay, now I'm pressing down. Perfect, guys. So the other one as well. So if two of the windows do not work on the front, check a fuse. If two on the rear do not work, check a fuse again, guys. If it's just a single window, maybe it's a bad motor, bad regulator, or a bad switch. And another thing, guys, check connections. Always, sometimes it could be a loose connection that's causing that. Check the connection to the window motor and check connection for the window switches. So actually, guys, if you look and you find fuse number 55, it's 7.5 amp fuse, this one right here. This fuse, guys, is for the window switches, all of them, okay, and for the mirror switches as well. So if all of your windows do not work, check this thing out, because this is the one responsible for the window switches. And I'm going to try that now, okay. I'm going to try that and see, okay, see if none of the windows will work with that fuse removed, because, okay, it will sound like you have a bad master window switch, probably. Still works on this car. According to the manual, it says it is for the windows, but it's not. So the one that says for window switches, it's actually not. It's just, okay, it's only, guys, for the mirror switch. So it's really guys, confusing sometimes reading the manual, so that's why you always have to double check everything you can. So you can see this fuse doesn't do anything. So thank you for watching. Please, hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.